Circleville, if this holds together, we are at 619. Lancaster, you'd be looking at about 657. Whitehall, 7 o'clock, and then Reynoldsburg at 7:05. If this particular cell held together, but oftentimes you get what's called training, you get these cells develop out ahead of it, and so it may be a little bit earlier than that. Can you, Andrew, select the cell path on this one? I want to see what the parameters are giving with the cell path. There we go. So rotating storm, yes. That's why the tornado warning has been issued, plus we saw that on the velocity scope there. Again, if you're just joining us, this is in Ross County, northwestern parts of Ross County. This is not Chillicothe. If you're in Chillicothe, I know you're hearing your sirens. You do not have to go to your basement. You're okay in Chillicothe with this one. It's off to the north. Frankfort, same thing. You do not need to get in your basement. It is off to your northwest. It's into the far northern part. But this city here, what is that city right there that's over the... warning area there, Andrew. I just can't quite see. That's Clarksburg. Clarksburg, you need to take your precautions right now.
Yeah, we want to go over the precautions again real quick. So if you want to pull up Weather 1, just to reiterate these again, act immediately. If you live in Circleville, this is a very serious situation. There's some definite rotation within this storm. So you want to go to the basement, interior room. Again, we have these up on Weather 1 if you want to take those, Bill.
Absolutely. Okay, so act immediately. And now this does include Pickaway County, so we are going to throw you guys into Circleville. And you do Asheville as well. I didn't look at the cone, see how far.
Yeah, Asheville is part of that cone.
Okay. Go to the basement, interior part of the room, or the lowest floor. You don't want to be on the second floor of an apartment. And by the way, you're going to hear me if you watch this coverage for an extended period of time. You're going to hear me say the same things over and over. It's important to tell you. You want to exit a mobile home, get in a low area ditch, get structured if you can. One of your friends has to spend time a little bit farther up to the north. Stream on our weather.
That's all the kids we have.
Your phone is charged as well. Let's go to Adam Slinger, who is in Pickaway County right now. Your sirens are going on.
Yeah, we're in Circleville. Sirens started about 2 minutes ago. The rain also picked up, as did the thunder and lightning. Here, let's kind of show you the skies right now. This is US 23, just south of East Main Street. You are looking directly south. It's kind of raining all around us, maybe 10, 15 minutes ago. We had clear skies to the east. Not the case right now. It appears whatever cell is headed this way is now completely over Circleville. So sirens sounding here in Pickaway County at this moment.
Okay, so you're in Circleville right now. One more time, tell me again where you were specifically.
Anybody want it?
23, just south of East Main Street.
Okay, so you're right down in this region. Let me show you. So we're going to use the city of Circleville. I'm going to put a timing on here for you just to let you know. Again, we just timed it out, but we're looking at, I'm going to use this rotation down over here. I'm going to use this tool. I'm going to take the leading edge of this, and I'm just drawing it out to Circleville. It's showing right around, say, 6:15, so about 15 minutes. You will get heavy rain in front of that. You'll get strong winds in front of that. You may even get a little bit of hail because you have some heavier rain over your area now, as you just alluded to. But the rotation is still far down. Where we're picking up the rotation in that storm is about 15 minutes away. Do you, let me ask you the same question I asked Adam Arrow, do you have a place to go if a tornado is nearby that you can get to real quick?
Oh, absolutely. That was our first question. We were looking to set up a shop. We have a restaurant right around the corner from here that we'll be going to if need be.
Perfect.
Here, I'll show you, Bill. I'll show you the skies down south again so you can take a good look as you talk about this storm.
Absolutely. Okay, so you see the darker sky, and let me point this out again to all of you. When we're talking about the storms, whether it's a severe thunderstorm, whether it's a tornado warning, where you're going to want to look is to the southwest. So, for example, so Adam's right here in Circleville. All you folks in Circleville, you're not going to necessarily look due south. You're going to look south and slightly off to the west. That is where this would come from. And then also, if you go out and you see a huge storm to your north, you're okay from that particular storm. Is that a new warning over there, Andrew?
That is a new warning. That is for Pike and Ross counties. That is for another cell. So right now we have 3 cells that are tornado warned. I'm going to back out the map real quick, just to kind of highlight these real quick. So we have now tornado warnings for Hocking and also, this is for Ross County. That's till 6.